Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Janardhan. I am a Microsoft certified Power Platform Solution Architect. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of the Power Platform. Power Platform comprises of 5 components. If you have ever want to create custom apps, visualize the data, automate the workflow, build chatbots, and even create interactive portals, you are in the right place. Stick around as we explore the incredible capabilities of the Power Platform. Let's start with Power Apps. It's your go-to tool for building custom apps without the need for extensive coding knowledge. You can transform your ideas into solutions. Power BI. Power BI is a fantastic tool for turning data into stunning visualizations and actionable insights. Power Automate. Power Automate, a powerhouse for automating the repetitive tasks and workflows. The best part is Power Automate can seamlessly integrate with a wide range of apps and services. Power Virtual Agent. Power Virtual Agent empower you to create chatbots for customer service or internal support. Power Pages. Power Pages wherever you can create interactive web portals for external audience. The best part is you can customize the portal, design the layout to match your branding and including features like forms, knowledge base and more. Other than the 5 components, there are 3 other components are there, which is Microsoft Dataverse, data connectors and AI builders. Let's discuss about Microsoft Dataverse. Microsoft Dataverse, formerly known as Common Data Service or CDS, is a cloud-based data storage and management service. Microsoft Dataverse users can create custom entities to store the data, define relationship between entities, and build business logic using Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and Power Virtual Agent. Dataverse make it easy to integrate data from multiple sources. Now let's discuss about data connectors. There are more than 400 plus connectors are available within Power Platform. Let's walk through AI Builder. AI Builder offer a range of pre-built AI models that can be easily customized and integrate to the applications. These models include form processing, object detection, text classification, predictions, and business cards. Thank you for watching.